Although it's still early days, Fibonacci levels can be based on the range from the lowest price on the first day to the peak on March 26th. And that 4-day period can be used for a Fibonacci time zone as well. Then a complementary addition with a Fibonacci spiral pointing up from the low to the high price of March 26th. This highlights some routes an upward reversal could take. As long as price continues to close above the high 44 range and develops more contact with the 50 boundary, at least some part of an upswing can approximate the curve of the spiral. However, if price continues to press down relatively flat at these current levels through the number 5 Fibonacci time zone line, with daily selling volume closer to 20 million, a drop through to new record lows becomes more plausible towards mid-April, in which case these extension levels, starting in the mid-37 range, would become more relevant. And while you wait for how the chart develops, check out the hundreds of videos that cover these Fibonacci methods and other technical analysis techniques already on the channel.